Over the past few weeks, we've covered the workflow for this object. Then we demonstrated complete workflows for several objects. That workflow. This object has many components, and we can't cover every object individually due to time constraints. Therefore, you should use the workflow from the past 3 weeks' lessons to complete the remaining objects. Let's complete the other objects. Next, I'll replace the previously created object in the example. For example, to replace this lamp, we locate the previously created lamp file and directly replace it by selecting it and clicking the arrow while it's selected. Select it and click the arrow while it's selected. It's replaced. You can also replace everything at once. For a complete replacement, select this name and all related names. Click, and everything is replaced. That's one way to do it. The sizes may differ slightly. That's fine, use the previous one. Next, we'll add the fire effect. How do we add the fire effect? We'll use a pre-made plugin. Open the Unreal Marketplace, there's a free plugin. It's the Particle and Wind system. Add it to the project. Add it to our selected project. I've already added it, so it's not shown here. If you choose one, like this one, add it to the project. It will download. After it downloads, it's in the content folder. There's a folder like this in the content folder. We'll select blueprints from this folder. There are many files here. For example, falling leaves, you can just drag and drop these. Then adjust the falling leaves and parameters. There are other options. Try it out, like snowing and smoke. There's a candlelight here. Let's drag it over. Drag it over and move it up. This is the candle. Yes, it's quite convenient. We just need to align its position. Be more precise. You can also view it from the top view. Center it in the top view. It's basically done. Adjust lighting parameters here, if needed. For example, the radius. Make it softer. Let's skip the color intensity for now. Radius. Turn it into a soft shadow. For now, this will do. You can also add a fill light. Now we can group this. Group it. Group it. Then copy the others. This way you'll copy the special effects too. Replace the others. Move it down a bit. Rotate this angle to a more suitable position. Let's import the pre-made lights. That's the light's position. It's about the same position as the pillar. Let's check the pillar's coordinates. Copy them. Copy these coordinates. There should be one here too. Let's place it here. Check it. Move the whole thing out slightly. Copy one here too. Let's discuss the light's material. We used a self-illuminating material. How do we set up the self-illumination? It's simple. Just apply a self-illuminating texture. We created a self-illuminating texture in SP. Then we multiply the self-illumination by a color. This connects to the self-illumination. We can adjust the color. This is the self-illumination color. Let's adjust it. For example, for a redder tint, it's like this. Or, for a brighter light, you can increase it. Increase this value. Lighter, meaning lower saturation. Increase it slightly. Set it this way. Self-luminescence alone isn't enough. If there are internal lights, you'll still need to add lighting.